All right, and my colleague Deepika Mehto joins me on the broadcast. She's there at Tyagraj Stadium in New Delhi covering DD Robocon 2024. Deepika, machines are creating magic where you are right now, certainly, and you've also covered Robocon earlier. What's different this time?
Good evening, Siddharth. Right now it is dark here because a very interesting AV is being played inside the stadium for all the students and participants who are here. And we also have a group of students who have come here to participate from Manipal, interestingly. Let's have an interaction with them. A very good evening to you. From which university are you coming to participate here?
Good evening. We are from Manipal Institute of Technology. It's a part of Mahi Group. It has been a really great experience to be here. We got to know how competitive this tournament actually is. We are planning to learn as much as possible, and we are also hoping to win this time.
And is this your first year in the college?
Yes.
How excited are you to represent your college in the first year itself?
Yeah, it's actually a very proud moment, and we are going to be the ones who are going to take the charge next year. So yeah, this year our task is to learn as much as possible so that we can implement it next year.
Are you all excited to take the charge next year?
Yes, obviously. We'll prepare for another year, so we are very excited for them.
What are the learnings that you are taking from here?
We are not even learning from the other teams, their mechanisms, even their failures. We are taking it as lessons. So yeah.
And also, what is your inspiration that you draw from this particular tournament?
So from this tournament, obviously we are learning how this is DD Robocon, right? It's a qualifier for the international round as well. So obviously it's an inspiration for us to see the great robotics team who have done really great for Team NEMA and all, and to be come at their level. Right now it's a seniors competition. We are learning and we are coming back strong for the next year. So,
what would be your mantra for the competition?
I guess our mantra would just be, I'm here to win it all. And that's it, because we are just here to learn, then hopefully win it next year.
So there you heard Siddharth, they say that they are here to win it all, and this is the inspiration, this is the kind of motivation that the students, the participants are having over here. As we know, today is the league phase, and tomorrow we would be having the elimination rounds when the quarterfinals, semi-finals and the eventual finals will be taking place. The ultimate winner will be going to Vietnam. Who would be that? That remains to be seen, but as of now, the students are super excited, Siddharth.
Definitely. Deepika, it's very nice to know, first of all, a noble initiative by Prasar Bharati and IIT Delhi, and secondly, the students are so much excited. They are, learning so many things coming into this event. They are even, keen on learning the failures of the other teams. That shows, a sportsman spirit. Deepika, any emerging trends that caught your attention that you've noticed there?
Siddharth, your voice is less audible, but I think if you are asking about emerging trends, then let us also talk about the theme of this year, which is Harvest Today. Can you tell us a bit more about the theme this time? Because every year we are having a different theme. Last time it was Laboriatis, this time Harvest Today. What exactly it is?
So as you can see, this time we are also, the competition is all about the harvesting. So our first task is to plant the saplings in an order, which was our first task. You can tell about this.
Then we have to shoot the balls and we have to place them into silos, kind of like placing seeds into the soil. So
when you heard about Harvest Today, it quickly connects us with the agriculture system, which is the main treasure of India when we talk about. What do you think of this concept which has been chosen by the organizers?
It's a very interesting concept, obviously. Also, it helps us imagine different mechanisms for the robot as well.
And also to contribute something more for in terms of technology for the farmers?
So what I think is that this is obviously an arena-based competition, but the foundations it lays for the real-life implementations of such robots. It's very great.
Indeed. So there you heard Siddharth, the foundation it lays for the future is very important, that you can witness only at DD India Robocon. Siddharth.
Definitely, Deepika, and we'll not leave you here. We'll keep taking updates from you. I'm sure you're having fun covering the event. Thank you so much for your updates.